This is the moment of truth. I have the wires from the Arduino in the Z-pin connector. Let me switch on a little light there. Here we go. There it is. So it gets power, it gets ground, and there's a signal. I reversed the output of the Arduino, little Arduino Nano, in order to get it working. And now the idea is I will hold it. I tried it, of course, before. I will hold this in place and ask the system to home Z. So, hang on. I hope I can get this done with one hand, and I hope I don't crash anything. Here it goes. It goes towards the nozzle. And it didn't do anything. And that's because it doesn't return. There's too much tension on the... It didn't let go. But it did stop, so that part works. Second try. Here it comes. And it's perfect. It works. So, pardon the shoddy camera work. The system works. It's bothered by the Bowden cable and extra cabling and everything, so it doesn't return down. So I already increased the value in the Arduino program to ensure that it bends down. And maybe I need some spring load, or maybe I need to make the strain relief less, give less friction or more friction or whatever. I don't know yet. But it all works, everything's triggered, everything works. So it works. I'm happy.